In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid lines in PowerPoint using some handy shortcuts that will simplify your design process. So let's dive right in and make your presentations more precise and professional. To start off, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you can't find the program, you can search for PowerPoint in your computer's search bar and it should pop right up. Once you have PowerPoint open, go ahead and navigate to the specific presentation that you want to work on. This is where we'll be adding those helpful grid lines. Now, you might be wondering why grid lines are so valuable. Well, grid lines are essentially a series of intersecting lines that can help you align and organize various elements within your presentation slides, making it much easier to create a balanced and aesthetically pleasing layout. They can ensure that all of your visual elements are perfectly aligned and proportionally placed, helping you create a professional look without the hassle of manual adjustments. Once you're ready and have your presentation open, here's where the shortcut magic comes in. All you need to do is simply press Shift and F9 on your keyboard simultaneously. This quick and easy shortcut will instantly show or hide the grid lines on your slide, providing you with the guidance needed to meticulously align your content. It's a time-saving hack that most people overlook, yet it can significantly enhance the quality of your presentation. If you're wondering whether this shortcut works in all scenarios, the answer is yes. This method of enabling or disabling grid lines should work across different versions of PowerPoint. Additionally, these grid lines won't show up when you're in presentation mode, so your audience will only see the polished end result, not the guidelines that helped you get there. One of the great things about using grid lines is the flexibility they offer. You can still manually adjust the spacing of the grid lines to better suit your particular needs. This is often found under the View tab if you're looking to fine-tune the distances between lines, giving you the exact level of precision you require. Remember, mastering these small but effective shortcuts can help you feel more confident in your building and editing abilities, making your workflow smoother and far more efficient. Adding grid lines with a simple press of a couple of keys is just one of the many ways you can enhance your presentation skills. So, there you have it. By simply using the Shift and F9 shortcut, you can turn grid lines on and off, making your design process in PowerPoint much more efficient. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel more equipped to create stunning and organized presentations. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.